Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and I am so ecstatic to be sharing this new video with you guys today. So let me give you guys a little bit of a background on how this video came about. This past weekend, my goddaughter turned 10. She is absolutely beautiful. She's brilliant. She's smart. Just an amazing child. And so she had a pool party, and her theme was OMG, it's a unicorn themed pool party, and it was like the emojis and unicorn all in one. I have never done a unicorn party, so I was like scrapping to find decor. Plus the weather was kind of shaky and I wasn't really sure on how that would all turn out, but it all turned out absolutely amazing. Well, today I was in the Dollar Tree and I just kind of was looking for some wrapping paper and gift wrapping paper and gift bags for upcoming, weddings and things like that. I like to give my brides gifts, and Dollar Tree is kind of my go-to place for that. And I saw some gorgeous wrapping paper, but right next to it I found that they had added some things to their normal baby shower line, like the little tags. And then I had never personally seen the invitations before, but it was like a set of 10, and I thought that was awesome for a small, intimate, budget-friendly baby shower, maybe for work or for a family member or whatever the case may be. I also saw the birthday photo props, which are amazing for selfie stations for teenagers. And then they had these backdrops. Like, I could not believe that they had these in the Dollar Tree. And you guys are always asking me for budget-friendly backdrop ideas. There you have it. I would just probably affix it to the poster board that they have in the Dollar Tree, the foam board, and you would be good to go. I was also, really shocked to see these treat bags. I love the color. I love this one that looks like paint splatter for a paint themed birthday party. And then they had like a lot of the bold colors. I thought that would be great for like back to school. If you were a teacher, you wanted to give your kids like a little treat, or if you are a mom and you wanted to do little bags for the kids. They also had stars. And then I also came across this beautiful peacock jewel tone color bag. Oh my goodness, it is so rich looking. I absolutely love that. And then they had these Lego favor surprises. I had not seen these before, but Lego parties are becoming extremely popular, so that would be great to have as well. Now, right across from that aisle, I saw all these emoji themed things that I did not find when I was looking for emoji themed items for my goddaughter's birthday party. But what really caught my eye were these party hats. I thought they were so cute, maybe because they were black, but they also had like cars and Mickey Mouse. And then, you guys, unicorn. Like, I was so shocked to see these unicorn party items in the Dollar Tree. They had the party blowouts, and I just love the colors. Like, they were the jewel tone colors, the magenta, the purples and turquoises and lavenders and greens and golds. Just such beautiful and rich looking colors. They had the birthday banner, the swirl decorations. They also had like the dinner plates. I think there were like 18 in this particular pack, which is really good for the money. And they had the dessert plates as well. And then they also had the napkins. Now, I thought the napkins were absolutely fabulous. And here are the little dessert plates. I believe there were 24 dessert plates in the pack. And then they had the little party cups that I thought were cute for like treats, or if you had like tokens. If you guys were playing like a game, it's good to have those for the kids as well. But what really caught my eye was this unicorn headband. OMG, it was so absolutely amazing. I absolutely loved it. It was just so adorable, and I wish that I could have found these. Those would have been great favors for the party as well. Now, they did have these unicorn themed party hats. I will be honest with you, I was not a fan of those at all. So I probably would not have purchased those, but I would have definitely opted for the unicorn headbands. They also had princess things and Frozen things, and here are the Lego things that I was sharing with you guys earlier. I mean, lots of Lego things. And then, of course, I was really shocked to see the balloon game. They've really stepped the balloon game up. They have the gold number balloons, and they're like 14 inches. So these are absolutely great to have, and you can get them blown up from the Dollar Tree. I don't think there is an additional charge for that. And speaking of the gift bags again, you know, I wanted to share with you guys some of the amazing gift bags that they have. They're great for baby showers, much cheaper than the ones at Target and Walmart. I think those will, you know, can run you up to like $4 and $5 for the larger ones. But I was also very shocked to see the character gift bags like the Shopkins and the Avengers. They also had like the Ninja Turtles, and oh my goodness, like so many Paw Patrol. I mean, such great Mickey. I mean, just such beautiful gift bags that you could use to give gifts. And you could also use those for centerpieces. You could just stuff them with tissue paper. I also came across these wall decals, the troll wall decals. These would be great for just like embellishing items for a birthday party, like cups or centerpieces or bags, gift bags. They also had it for the Disney movie Moana, if I'm saying that correctly. And then I saw these wall banners that said "Work that crown." You know, I was not thinking about a pineapple crown. I was thinking about a beauty pageant crown. I absolutely love that. And then as I continued to look, I found this cute unicorn one that says "Believe in the Magic," which would be great for a birthday party or dorm room decor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick Dollar Tree shop with me and this super, you know, cute unicorn party setup for the pool party. Thank you guys so much for all of your continuous support. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!